Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Embark on a journey into the winter wonderland of snow removal, where the awesomeness TV 2200 takes center stage in transforming snow-covered landscapes into cleared pathways. As snow blankets streets and sidewalks, this powerful machine moves gracefully, equipped with state-of-the-art technology to efficiently tackle the challenges of winter weather. Witness the precision of its snowplows and the effectiveness of its de-icing systems as it ensures safe and accessible roads, showcasing the seamless integration of technology and nature. Snow removal with the awesomeness TV 2200 is more than a chore. It's a testament to human innovation, ensuring the smooth flow of life even in the coldest seasons. Intrigued by snow removal technology? Share your thoughts below. Embark on a journey into the intricate realm of tree pruning, an art that merges expertise with the resilience of nature. Arborists, armed with specialized tools, engage in a carefully orchestrated dance among the branches. With finesse and precision, they sculpt and trim, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal, but also the overall health of the trees. This delicate process transcends routine maintenance, creating a harmonious balance between human skill and natural resilience. Modern equipment with advanced features elevates tree pruning to new heights, ensuring that urban and natural landscapes are adorned with expertly crafted, thriving trees. Explore this world where the hands of arborists shape the living sculptures that grace our surroundings. Step into the realm of asphalt laying, a vital process that shapes the very foundations of our roads and infrastructure. The rhythmic hum of machinery blends with the precision of human expertise as asphalt pavers roll across construction sites. These specialized machines meticulously distribute and compress hot asphalt, creating smooth, durable surfaces for transportation networks. The fusion of cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship ensures that every layer of asphalt contributes to the strength and longevity of our roadways. From urban streets to expansive highways, asphalt laying is a cornerstone of our modern infrastructure development, providing the smooth pathways that connect communities and facilitate the movement of people and goods. Enter the world of earth moving, where the Komatsu D65EX is at the center of transforming landscapes. With its powerful engine and precise controls, this huge machine leads the complex dance of moving earth and changing terrain. Whether it's building foundations for buildings, paving roads for transportation, or preparing land for agricultural operations, the Komatsu D65EX is a symbol of efficiency and capability in the heavy equipment industry. Witness the harmonious blend of technology and brute force as skilled operators maneuver this earth-moving giant, transforming the ground beneath our feet to meet the needs of construction and development. Take a journey into the fascinating realm of bamboo harvesting, where the synergy between skilled hands and advanced technology turns this versatile and fast-growing plant into a valuable resource. In the heart of the bamboo fields, specialized machinery skillfully maneuvers the terrain to efficiently process and harvest the crop. This operation is an example of the harmonious collaboration between agricultural knowledge and innovative equipment, emphasizing the adaptability of modern farming methods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest agricultural innovations. Embark on a journey into the world of road leveling, where the John Deere 764 HSD takes center stage in the meticulous art of creating smooth and well-maintained road surfaces. Its powerful presence on the construction site speaks volumes about the advancements in heavy machinery technology. As it maneuvers through the varied terrain, this machine not only levels the ground, but also lays the foundation for smoother, more resilient roads. The intricate dance of human expertise and technological innovation is evident in every pass, ensuring that the road becomes a reliable pathway connecting communities. The John Deere 764 HSD's role in road leveling is more than just a task. It's a transformative process that shapes the landscapes we traverse daily. Delve into the world of hay cutting with the Samaz KDD 941, where precision and efficiency converge to transform the landscape into a harvest-ready haven. As the machine gracefully maneuvers through the fields, its sharp blades deftly slice through the lush grass, orchestrating a choreography of agricultural prowess. The Samaz KDD 941 isn't just a harvester. It's a symbol of the seamless fusion between advanced technology and the age-old practice of cultivating the land. From providing fodder for livestock to supporting sustainable farming, this machine stands as a testament to the continual evolution of agriculture, where innovation and tradition dance in perfect harmony. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact in various industries. Immerse yourself in the world of logging, where the hum of an electric saw creates a symphony of efficiency and precision. During this vital operation, logs are transformed into handy pieces, ready to warm your home and light your stove. The electric splitter, with its sharp blades and precise movements, becomes an artisanal tool that transforms natural raw materials into a source of warmth and comfort. Witness the synergy of technology and tradition as this electric wonder brings the age-old practice of firewood collection into the modern era, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly solution to heating our homes. It's not just about sawing logs. It's about creating warmth, sustainability, and connecting with the eternal process of utilizing natural resources. Take a deep dive into the age-old practice of plowing, where the symphony of the plow cutting through the soil resonates with the timeless rhythm of agriculture. During this important operation, a sturdy plow, guided by the hands of skilled farmers or powerful machinery, turns the earth over, preparing it for the next cycle of planting. The fertile soil, freshly opened, is a canvas waiting for a stroke of seed to sprout a bountiful harvest. Whether pulled by a team of horses or hitched to a modern tractor, the plow remains an icon of agriculture, symbolizing the partnership between man and the land. This long-standing practice not only sustains the agricultural cycle, but also embodies the deep connection between humankind and the land. Welcome to the dynamic world of hay harvesting, where modern agricultural machinery transforms fields into a tapestry of neatly stacked hay bales. The rhythmic hum of balers and state-of-the-art harvesting systems create a symphony of efficiency that captures the essence of a successful harvest. At the beginning of the process, the grass is expertly cut, harvested, and baled into convenient bales designed to provide feed for livestock during the winter months. This organic blend of technology and tradition not only ensures a timely and efficient harvest, but also emphasizes the vital role haymaking plays in maintaining livestock and facilitating agricultural work. Witness the craftsmanship of this process, where dedication to the land and livestock is combined with the precision of modern technology. Discover the world of slag discharge with the CAT 973K, a remarkable machine that efficiently manages and transports slag, a byproduct of industrial processes. This heavy equipment is designed for demanding environments such as steel mills and foundries. Navigating rough terrain, the CAT 973K demonstrates its power and precision in moving and disposing of slag, contributing to cleaner and greener industrial operations. Machines like the CAT 973K play an important role in this dynamic field. Intrigued by the slag discharge technology? Share your thoughts below. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of excavator operation, but this time get a bird's eye view of this complex process. From above, you'll see a mesmerizing ballet of heavy machinery performing complex tasks with amazing precision, from trenching to large-scale earthworks. This unique perspective allows you to take a fresh look at their indispensable role in various industries, including construction and mining. These powerful machines work in close collaboration with human expertise to reshape landscapes, lay foundations, and extract valuable resources. Excavators are not just tools but a transformative force that shapes the ever-changing world around us. Step into the world of timber unloading, where precision and strength converge to facilitate the efficient movement of wood. This operation shows a choreographed dance of heavy machinery such as cranes and forklifts unloading logs from trucks and preparing them for further processing. This important step in the wood supply chain ensures that the raw materials are ready to be transformed into a variety of wood products. These machines gracefully handle huge logs, ensuring a smooth transition from forest to production line. Step into the world of logging work with the Naarva S23C, where this remarkable machine takes center stage in the intricate process of harvesting timber. With precision and power, it tackles the challenging task of felling and processing trees, all while navigating dense forests. Logging operations are essential for the production of various wood products that range from construction materials to furniture. The Naarva S23C exemplifies the perfect balance of technology and nature, ensuring that timber harvesting aligns harmoniously with sustainable forest management. Delve into the world of excavator transportation, a critical operation that ensures these heavy machines reach job sites efficiently and securely. Expertly executed by specialized transporters and haulage equipment, this process involves loading, securing, and delivering excavators, ranging from compact models to colossal heavyweights. These machines are the workhorses of construction, mining, and infrastructure development, and getting them to the right location is the first step in completing essential tasks. Step into the world of hay harvesting with the Krone Swadro 2000, a machine that revolutionizes the process of harvesting and preparing hay. Gracefully gliding across the field, the Krone Swadro 2000 efficiently collects the cut grass and turns it into neat, even windrows, creating the basis for drying and baling the hay. This important step in modern agriculture not only optimizes the hay harvesting process, but also contributes to the production of high-quality livestock feed. It's time to take a look at the world of wood choppers with the US Pride HF800, a machine that redefines the process of turning logs into firewood. This powerful log splitter operates with the perfect combination of precision and power, efficiently turning wood into usable pieces for a variety of purposes. Whether for heating, cooking, or crafts, the art of wood chopping embodies human ingenuity and the responsible use of our natural resources. The US Pride HF800 is a symbol of sustainability and efficiency in the firewood industry, ensuring that this age-old practice continues to serve our needs while prioritizing environmental protection. Immerse yourself in the world of steel casting, a fascinating process that transforms raw molten metal into strong, durable products. Skilled casters and modern equipment, such as induction furnaces and continuous casting machines, orchestrate this amazing alchemy. Steel casting plays a vital role in the creation of a wide variety of products, from industrial machinery components to artistic sculptures. The process stands at the crossroads of creativity and technology, offering a complex glimpse into the fusion of metallurgy and craftsmanship that shapes our world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest agricultural innovations. Experience the art of landscape leveling, where the CAT 320 excavator takes center stage in transforming uneven terrains into harmonious surfaces. This intricate process involves the careful adjustment of land elevations, ensuring optimal drainage, and creating the ideal groundwork for various projects, from construction to agriculture. The CAT 320, with its precision and power, plays a pivotal role in this delicate operation, showcasing the synergy between technology and nature. Step into the world of quarrying, where the Komatsu WE1850 wheel loader is a testament to power, precision, and efficiency. During these operations, huge volumes of rock, gravel, and earth are moved with the utmost care and control. The Komatsu WE1850 demonstrates the incredible synergy between advanced technology and natural raw materials. It plays a key role in the extraction of essential resources for construction, infrastructure, and countless other industries. Explore the world of cable installation, where precision and coordination are critical to ensuring that vital cables are routed smoothly. This complex process involves laying electrical, telecommunications, or fiber optic cables underground or underwater. Skilled professionals and specialized equipment work together to safely and reliably lay cables, connecting communities and industries to vital networks. This process combines advanced technology and careful planning to bring connectivity and electricity to different parts of the world. Are you involved in agriculture in any way, or have you seen cable laying technology firsthand? Write in the comments below the video. It'll be interesting to read. Step into the world of paving stone loading, where precision and power combine to efficiently move and transport these heavy materials. Powerful machines such as the Komatsu WA800-8 take the lead in this vital operation, moving paving stones from quarries to various construction sites. These machines ensure an uninterrupted supply of materials for projects ranging from road construction to landscaping. The process of loading paving stones is a cornerstone of the construction industry. Enter the world of potato harvesting with the DeWolf RA3060, a technological marvel that has revolutionized the harvesting of this important staple crop. It efficiently uproots potatoes with precision and power, ensuring a bountiful, high-quality harvest. This exceptional machine embodies a seamless blend of innovation and the natural world, highlighting how human ingenuity works in harmony with the earth to provide fresh and healthy potatoes for countless applications. From satisfying our taste buds with delicious potato dishes to contributing to the food supply chain, this remarkable machine plays an important role in ensuring that potatoes reach our tables efficiently and with high quality. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!